To you today from the Villages, Florida. Just coming back from a car show at Spanish Springs where I stopped and I talked to a few people and asked them what they liked about the Villages. So I'm sure you're going to find it pretty interesting. So stick around, take a look. Hey guys, how you doing tonight?
We're doing great.
Having a good time at the car show at Spanish Springs.
Sure are. Always good.
You know what? I'm going to ask you something. I want to ask you, if you had one thing you could say about the Villages that you like the most, what would that be?
The car show. The car show.
Car show.
And dancing.
Okay.
We dance.
You like to dance and you have a Corvette?
Yes, I have a
Wow, yes, let me see. Oh, wait, there's a red Corvette over there. Whoa. Lucky me, I guess. Okay, all right. Thank you guys. Enjoy the night. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Steve from EXP Realty. You guys live in the Villages?
Yes, we do.
What village are you in?
Well, I'm in Woodbury, and she's down in Pinellas.
Pinellas.
Oh, you're a little ways
So we're
apart.
dating.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Let me ask you this though. What is it that you think you like the best about living in the Villages?
Non-stop activity. I mean, we always have something to do. She's a big dancer,
Yeah.
and we go
He's
to
a big
dancing.
golfer.
I'm a big golfer, so we do a lot of golfing. We do a lot of dancing.
Yeah.
We're still enjoying
Enjoying
it.
life.
Well, it's a pretty great place to be.
It is. It
Yes,
sure
it
is.
is.
Where are you from, by the way?
Originally North Carolina,
And I'm from Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh,
Pittsburgh.
Oh, yeah?
Nashville. I went to Salem.
All right. Okay, guys. Great. Thanks for taking the minute. Hey guys, how you doing? Having a good night at the car show?
Great.
Yeah. And where are you from? Originally.
New Jersey.
South Jersey.
Okay, so let me ask you one question. How many years you been here?
It'll be five and a half.
Five. Hey, just about like us, you know? Okay. And I just want to ask, what do you think, I want to tell these people all around the world, what's the one thing you like the most about being at the Villages?
You can get almost anywhere on a golf cart.
That's well, you know, we hear that
Love
a
it.
lot. It's
Love it.
really nice.
And you know what? The people are really, really nice.
And the people are really nice. So golf carts and the people.
Yep.
Huh? Absolutely. There you go. All right, I'm gonna let you go for that. Sun blinds you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The Villages. What's your name, sir?
Bob,
Bob. How many years you been in the Villages?
9
9?
years.
A little while.
9
okay.
wonderful years.
And 9. And where are you from originally?
Minnesota.
Minnesota's a little different from the Villages, isn't it?
Oh, Frostbite Falls is great. They look great in the rearview mirror.
Okay, I've got a question that we're asking everybody tonight that the viewers would probably like to know. So what's one of the things that you like the most about being in the Villages?
I guess it's just not being somewhere else, because I haven't found anything that would top it for me. It works well for me.
Yeah. Well, it's a great place, and you come to a lot of the car shows?
Pretty much, I would say 70%.
Yeah, and this is your car out front here. What is that?
Well, that was a 1970 Volkswagen, and I chopped it into a 3-window coupe.
Really? I'm going to have to check that out.
A lot of time. It was a 2-year project. It started out a $50 rusty car, and it's been looking like that for over 20 years now.
Yeah? All right. Okay, Bob, hey, thanks for taking a minute with us tonight, okay? Enjoy the rest of your night.
You have a great evening.
Take care, man.
Okay. You gotta look cool.
Hey guys, you having a good time at the car show today?
Great time.
All right, great. Hey, let me ask you both a question. You know the Village is a great place, there's a lot of great stuff. Let me ask you, what do you think would be one thing they could do that would really help out making it
It's a great place. I wish I was here in 208 when I bought a lot. Came in 2019. Prices are up, but I love it. I just wish the amenity fees more people would share.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell
tell you, there's not too much that I can say negative about this place. It's a great place to be. I'm an avid golfer. I would say more golf courses.
There you go.
That's right.